Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Liz, and today we're diving into Retail Management Systems, or RMS. So what is it? A retail management system is software that helps retailers manage their stores better. For small businesses, it usually means a point-of-sale system for transactions, inventory, and customer data. For big businesses, an RMS might include enterprise resource planning or ERP systems. These handle more than just sales and inventory. They manage supply chains, HR, finance, and customer relationships. So why use an RMS? Here are some key benefits. 1, you'll enjoy efficient operations because RMS automates tasks like tracking inventory, sales, and more. 2nd, make better decisions with detailed analytics which provide insights into sales and customer behavior. 3rd, get optimized inventory by keeping inventory levels at the right amount to avoid shortages and overstock. 4th, easily grow your businesses by adding new stores and products with scalability features. Lastly, improve the customer experience through integrated CRM and loyalty programs. Choosing the right RMS means looking at your business needs and key features like inventory management, sales tracking, and integration capabilities while making sure it's user-friendly and cost-effective for you. So we've gathered the top 5 RMS options, each suited for different types of businesses. So first we have Square POS, ideal for startups with simplicity and affordability. Great for new single location retailers like coffee shops, salons, and apparel stores. Then KORONA POS, best retail management POS for multi-store operations. Also fitting for chain and franchise businesses, offering seamless inventory tracking, centralized data access, and efficient product transfers. Next is IT Retail, designed explicitly for grocers. It includes features for perishables, age verification, and built-in employee scheduling. Another is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, a central hub managing inventory, finances, and customer relationships alongside a point of sale. And lastly, Bright Pearl, ideal for retailers with multiple sales channels unifying inventory, order management, and fulfillment under one roof. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at retail management systems and some of the best options out there. Remember, choosing the right RMS can significantly enhance your retail operations. So take the time to find the one that best fits your business needs. If you want to learn more, read the full article on our blog. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you next time.